Can we make more than $500 selling this Ford truck right here? Let's find out. All right, here's my buddy James's truck. He is selling. It's got a little engine problems. We've already had an offer of $500. It does need a little bit of engine work, but the body is in pretty good condition. Frame, just a minimal amount of rust, especially for the age. This thing looks pretty good. It needs a little TLC, and we're gonna do a little spit shine on it and see if we can get some money so James can go off and get himself a new trailer. So, away we go. All right, first step, let's put some water in this thing, get it turned around, and then let's get it washed. Now, a word from our sponsors, Fabuloso. It'll clean your car, it'll clean your bathroom, it will go real far. Fabuloso. All right, let's turn it around and face it toward the street. All right, outside is clean. Now it's time to vacuum out the inside, so it looks good too. Here we go. All right, last step, we're going to wipe down the dash and then get it looking good. All right, here it is. We got it all shined up and ready to list here. We got our signs up in the windows. And let's check out the inside here. Everything's been vacuumed out. Looks pretty good. Armor all the dash. Back seats all cleaned out. Somebody's gonna get a really nice truck. This is not a bad truck. Once you get the engine in it, it's pretty sharp. All right, so let's start it up and see what happens here. All right, so it starts up. We'll pop the engine so you can check that out. As I mentioned, it's got a water leak. But other than that, it looks pretty clean under the hood. AC runs good. We'll get this water leak fixed or get the block fixed or whatever needs to be done. We'll be going pretty good. All right, folks, we got a fish on the line from Facebook Marketplace. I'm headed up to the shop to see if I can make more than $500 selling this truck. Time to roll out. One second, I have to get the title. Now back to the regular scheduled program. $1,500, time to load it up. All right, with nothing but some elbow grease and some Fabuloso, we turned a $500 deal into $1,500. Not too bad. Well, guys, thanks for watching. It's time for me to hit the sack because tomorrow we got to do it all over again. Thanks for watching. Adios.